The production and R&D base of Zhanwang covers an area of more than 70,000 square meters, has 80 domestic advanced fully computer-controlled automatic production lines. The annual output of AdVaps can reach more than 4 million cartons, has become a well-deserved leader among Chinese skincare manufacturers. Water is the source of life, also the source of AdVaps. Adopt the most advanced EDI ultra-pure water system with 18 layers of refined EDI pure water and more than 10 processes such as ultraviolet sterilization treatment to ensure the absolute purity of the water with use of AdVaps. Control product quality from the source water, which after 2-hour reverse osmosis and one-time EDI electron deionization to ensure the purity of every drop of water. Zhanwang Group actively builds an integrated operation platform with a large-scale warehousing and distribution center with complete functions and complete facilities. The storage area reaches more than 30,000 square meters, which can store more than 10,000 of tons of products, and combined with professional logistics distribution